Hello there, how are you all? Children, I'm Lakshi Kotial, your computer teacher. Now children, this is your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. So children, today in this video, I'll be going to start with your new chapter, that is Features of File Management, and it is on page number 109. Okay? Before starting this chapter, let me discuss something with you, that what is a folder. Now children, let us take an example. You must have seen that your class teacher saves your record like your name, your parents' name, okay, in a register. Okay, in a register, she writes your name, she takes your attendance, she keeps all the records of yours. Okay, so that register is a kind of a folder. Okay, it is a kind of a folder that stores information. Okay, the same way in a computer system, there are many folders which are provided to you to keep the record, to keep the information. Okay, so suppose this is a book. Okay, and this book is a folder. This whole book is a folder, and this folder contains many pages. And suppose take these pages as files. Okay, these are the files on which some informations are written. Okay, so these pages are the files, and this book is the folder which keeps all the related pages together. Okay children, so the same way a computer also provides you a location on the hard disk so that you can save your information on it. Okay, so what is a folder? A folder is a location. It is a location on hard disk. It is a location on what? Hard disk, to store information. Okay, to store information. And information in the form of what? It stores the information in the form of files. In the form of files. Okay children, so now our next term comes file management. As your chapter name is Features of File Management. So what is file management? File management means organization of files. Means in how, like suppose in this book these pages are well organized. Means if there is a first chapter, so the pages which are related to the topic, they are organized in only first chapter, in only these pages. Okay, it is not like that, no, that this computer memory is placed over here in this page. Okay, so the information which are organized in a proper manner. So file management means organization of files or folders. Organization of files or folders, that how you keep your files or folders in your computer system. Before proceeding to the rest of the topics, let us do some practicals. Okay, we'll do some practicals so that you can easily understand about the features of file management. I'll show you in a computer system that what is a folder, what is a file. Okay, so let us have a look. So children, let us understand the concept of folders and files. Okay, now children, as you can see on the desktop, see, this is a folder icon. What is this? It is a folder icon. As I have told you that a folder is used to store information in the form of files. Now, when I double click on it, see children, see, these are the files which are present in the folder. Okay children, see, let me make it more clear to you. Okay, see, now see children, these are the files. These are the files which are present on the folder named Meenakshi. Okay, now children, in your book we have studied that working with a folder. That how do you work with a folder? See, as I have done, I have double clicked on that folder which is present on the desktop. Then it shows the following files which are present on it. Now we have studied that files are of 4 types. Okay, now let me show you. First type is an image type. Just click on it. See, this is an image file. This is an image file. Okay. Now, look at this.
So now children, the first component of the MS
See,
Word
in this we can only hear the audio. We can only hear the sound, but there is no video. See, listen.
on the screen is known as the cursor. When you
Okay, do you understand?
something,
Do you understand, children? This is a audio file. This is what? This is a audio file on which sound is coming, but there is no video. There is no visual are there. Okay. Next file is a video file. Click on it. See, this is a video file on which sound is also coming and visual is also there. See, okay. So, this is a video file. Okay, and come to the last one. This is a text or document file. When we double click on it, okay, it will show us the text or document. See, it will show us the written documents. Okay, like this. See, this is a text document. Okay. So, we have studied about the 4 types of file which are present inside a folder. Okay, image file, audio file, video file and text or document file. Do you understand, children? Children, this is all about the folder and file. Now, let us understand some more tasks that we can perform on a folder. Like we can create a folder, like we can copy a folder, we can move a folder. Okay, so in your book on page number 110, I will show you that how you can copy a file or a folder. But first of all, let us understand how you can create a file. Okay, so for this, what you have to do, if you want to create a folder on the desktop, what you have to do, you have to right click on it, click on new and then folder. See, children, a new folder displays in your screen. Now you can change the name of your folder. Okay, suppose I want to write the name of it is class 4. Okay, I have given the name. Now press the enter key. See, this is how a folder is created. It is a folder icon. Okay, this is how we can create a folder. Okay, now children, if you want to create a folder in your drive, like this I have created on a desktop. Okay, if you want to create it on your drive, what you have to do, you have to click on start button, then you have to click on computer icon, and these are the drives. See, these 2 are the drives, hard drives, disk drives, okay, on which the data is stored. Now if I click on this D drive, this is C drive and this is D drive. These are the names of the drives. Now if I double click on it, see, there are many files and folders already present in this drive. Now if I want to create any folder here, so what I have to do, I have to follow the same procedure, like right click, then click on new option, then click on folder. See, again a new folder name comes on the screen. Now you can give name to the, suppose again I want to give name, it is like class 4. See, I have created a class 4 name folder. Okay, children. So now children, now the topic is copying a folder. But if you want to copy any file or folder, copy means to make making duplicate file. Okay, if you want to make any duplicate of a folder, you can do it also. For this, what you have to do, you have to select that folder. Suppose you want to copy this folder inside this Meenakshi folder. Okay, so what you have to do, first select the folder, right click on it, then click on copy option. Now if I want to copy this folder inside this folder, so what I have to do, just double click on this folder and on the blank area, right click and click on paste option. See children, the class 4 folder, it was present on the desktop. I have copied it, I have made a duplicate copy of it and I have pasted it on the new folder, that is Meenakshi. Okay, if you see that it is also present here and it is also present on the desktop also. Okay, so I have made a duplicate copy. Okay children, so this is how, if you want to make a duplicate copy of this folder in the desktop also, same procedure you have to do. Select the folder, then right click, then copy. On the blank area, right click and then click on paste option. See, a copy of folder class 4 is shown on the desktop also. See, this is how you can copy a file or folder in your desktop. Okay children, now next topic is move a file. Move means, now children, there is a difference between copy and move. In copying a folder, you make a duplicate copy, but when you move a folder from its position, it will get shifted from its position and it will get placed on the new location. Suppose if I want to move this folder, this copy folder, class 4 copy folder into Meenakshi folder, so what I have to do, just select this folder, right click on it and cut. To move any folder, you have to click on cut option. Cut. Now open this folder, Meenakshi. Now on the blank area, right click and paste. See, a class 4 copy folder is pasted here, but it will not show you over here. See, it will get shifted from here. Do you understand the difference between when I copied this class 4 folder into this folder? The class 4 copy is the class 4 folder is also here and it is also present here also. See, it is also here. Okay, now but when I cut or when I move the class 4 copy folder, it gets shifted from its position and it gets placed in this folder. See, here it comes. So there is a difference. Okay, copy a folder means making duplicate file folder. Okay, but moving a folder means shifting that folder from its place and pasting it to the new location. Okay children, do you understand that? Children, so this is enough for today. I just hope that you all have understood the topic very well. Now what you have to do, you have to go through the chapter and read the chapter thoroughly. Okay, till the topic we are done in this video, you have to read till there only. Okay, so now we'll be continuing with the rest of the topic in our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.